Have you ever wondered how small businesses and solo entrepreneurs create so much amazing looking content for their social media? They do not all have a professional designer on staff. Their secret weapon is a platform called Canva. In this video, we are going to do a full review of this powerful tool that helps non-designers look like pros. So what exactly is Canva? It is an incredibly easy to use web-based design platform. It is not a complex professional tool like Photoshop. Instead, it is designed for busy people like business owners, marketers, students, and content creators who need to make great-looking graphics quickly without any formal design training. Its main purpose is to make design fast, easy, and accessible. Its biggest strength is its massive library of pre-made templates. No matter what you need to create, whether it is an Instagram post or a business card or a full presentation, Canva has thousands of beautiful templates that you can use as a starting point. Canva's editor is famously easy to use. You can simply drag and drop elements like text, photos, and icons directly onto your design. You can change the colors, the fonts, and the layout with just a few simple clicks. It is a very intuitive and fun process that does not require any technical skill. On top of the templates, Canva gives you access to a huge library of stock photos, videos, icons, and audio clips. This means you do not have to go searching all over the internet for images for your designs. Everything you need is right inside the tool. For businesses, one of its best paid features is the Brand Kit. This allows you to upload your company's logo, colors, and fonts so you can make sure that every single design your team creates looks consistent and professional. Now let's talk about the price. Canva has one of the best free plans of any software in the world. The free plan is incredibly generous and gives you access to thousands of templates and a huge library of free photos and graphics. For many people, the free plan is all you will ever need. If you want to unlock the full power of Canva, their paid plans are very affordable. Canva Pro at just $6.50 a month per person gives you access to millions of premium stock photos and advanced tools like an automated background remover. For companies, the Canva Teams plan at $5 per person per month adds features to help your team collaborate. The value you get for the price is incredible. So what is my final review? Canva is an absolutely essential tool for the modern world. If you are not a professional designer, but you need to create professional-looking graphics for any reason, it is the best and easiest tool on the market. Its free version is amazing, and its pro plan is a fantastic investment. All right, that's it for this review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.